Hello everyone, my name is Da Yun Jiang. I'm currently studying early childhood and primary education at the University of Canberra. First question, what makes a quality teacher? In my opinion, a quality teacher builds positive relationships with students. A good teacher understands students, communicates well with them, and supports their learning and development. In Module 2, we learned that teachers need skills such as communication, organization, and classroom management. These skills help teachers support students and create a positive classroom environment. Second question, what attracts you to the role of teacher? What attracts me to teaching is helping children learn and grow. In Module 1, we learn about intrinsic motivation, and I feel my motivation comes from enjoy helping children learn. I teach children Chinese, and seeing them start speaking a few sentences gives me a strong sense of achievement. Third question, what are your personal beliefs about being a teacher? I believe teachers should be patient, supportive, and respectful because every child learns differently. In Module 1, we also learned that every child needs a champion, so teachers should encourage and support their students. Fourth question, what skills do you believe a teacher requires and why? Teachers need strong communication and classroom management skills. In Module 2, we learn about the simple wheel of reading and Scarborough's reading rope, which help teachers support students' reading development. Final question, what skill and knowledge do you want to develop to become a professional-ready graduate teacher? I would like to continue developing my literacy teaching strategies and behavior management skills. I also want to keep reflecting on my teaching practice so I can continue improving and support students effectively. Thank you.